All right, let's go to our next guest who's joining us. Kanchan Gupta, Senior Advisor, Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, is being joined with us right now. Thank you for joining us here. Very, very big step being taken, and this is taken by the INB, where they made it very clear that this kind of content will not, I repeat, will not be tolerated on public platforms. What did it take for us to see this huge move by the INB?
Good afternoon. Just to put things into perspective, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has acted against 26 websites and 14 apps which were found to be hosting, broadcasting, distributing, and amplifying content of a certain nature, which is not allowed under law in India. 9 of the apps were available on Google Play Store and 5 on Apple Store. The reason I'm giving these numbers is to give you a sort of a fuller picture of the action which has been taken, and it cuts across app hosting companies, and it cuts across the platforms. So this is one thing. The other thing is that the nature of the content. The content included sexual innuendos, in some cases long portions of sexually explicit scenes involving nudity, thereby, it qualifies as pornographic content. And there was hardly any storyline, theme. Excuse me, what is this noise?
Yes, Mr. Gupta.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Gupta. Hold on with us. I also have my colleague Kruthat. Kruthat, I will also ask you a question. But Kruthat, if you're there, this is a huge move which has been made. And Mr. Gupta, Senior Advisor at INB, is with us. And just taking it forward, Kruthat, we also have seen, and if you could ask Mr. Gupta that there were a lot of petitions in the Supreme Court asking for banning of this kind of content. And finally, we see a huge update on that.
Indeed, and Mr. Gupta, this is a massive precedent that the government has set vis-a-vis banning this soft pornographic content and obscene content on OTT platforms. Do we see in pursuance that the ministry is considering other guidelines or moves, or is this just part one of a larger action on crackdown on such content? What are the expectations that the people can have vis-a-vis the ministry's action on this?
Well, I understand there is some disturbance on the line.
We'll try to fix that, sir.
Yeah, so what I understand that there are guidelines being worked on, and right now what we are looking at is the nature of the content of these websites and apps. And as I explained, that depiction of nudity and sex in several inappropriate contexts, including relationships such as family relationships, I mean, these are prohibited, proscribed under the law. Number 2, when you talk about the reason why we acted, there was a reference which was received from the National Commission on Protection of Child Rights in July and August 2024 regarding these 2 platforms, Ullu and Alt, ALTT. So, and subsequently there was an investigation, there was a proper mechanism which looked into the content and came to the conclusion that this content cannot be allowed to be hosted on a public website or a public app. And this was communicated to the intermediaries, and they were subsequently to be taken down.